Many folks don't realize the enormity of the job the Katy ISD maintenance and operations performs. Katy ISD is now the 8th largest district in the state of Texas.
With more than 9,000 employees and nearly 78,000 students comes a lot of real estate. And every day our department sets out to ensure it is all in working order.
With the safety and well-being of our students and staff at the top of our priority list, we are committed to providing a secure and hygienic environment.
We maintain and repair equipment equivalent to that of 2 Pentagons daily in order to keep our students and staff comfortable in the Texas heat.
Our campus staff are the friendly faces in the hall. That person everyone knows to call when there is a problem. A dependable presence helping to keep the buildings in tip-top shape.
The results of our efforts deliver the backdrop for the teachers to create the best learning environment, and we customize our services and our work to meet the needs of our Katy ISD community.
And our facilities are as flawless on the outside as they are on the inside, so our students always have a well-kept arena where they can succeed.
While we do our best to prevent the unexpected, we are always ready to take the call when we need to take action. And we work as a team to ensure that an efficient and effective response.
Our team members restore or replace every component necessary in order to guarantee the highest in quality and safety. Our department is charged with providing a safe, clean, and secure environment for teachers and staff. That foundation, that standard, has to be there so that when a teacher or child walks into a Katy ISD building, they are able to focus on why they are there: education.
They don't have to worry about the facilities. We take care of that for them. Our workforce is the best at what we do, and we deliver the best to our students. We work around the clock to keep Katy ISD running and to do our part in creating the legacy.